Box braids are the quintessential Black girl hairstyle. Box braids are the best. I used to only wear box braids growing up. Back in high school, I would wear box braids, like I wear it for 3 months, like push them to the limit. Take them out for a week, put them right back in. Like that was my life, was all box braids. I never did a color this bold, you know? This is pretty awesome. I was in a Target and I saw a girl with this cornucopia of like brown and blonde hair, and I was like, oh, you can do that? Like you can do that in your hair? And ever since then, like it was like this bug planted in my mind. I was like, I need to do this style. I did free parting instead of doing traditional, you know, straight line box braids. I've gotten to this thing where as I get older, I am just no longer pressed about having my edges kind of slicked down perfectly and trying to create this manicured version of myself and of my hair, and instead just saying, you know what? I love box braids and I love fall colors, and I'm putting it in my hair and it's gonna look gorgeous. It's on me. And that's it, y'all. That's it. I used 5 colors. So I used a couple of dark browns, I used a couple of light browns, and then of course I used that pop of red to give it that extra something, something, you know, that extra little fall spice. Yeah, I didn't really think too carefully about, you know, making sure certain colors were in certain places. I just made sure I divided all of my hair equally in half, so I had the same amount of colors on my left and my right side, and that was how I braided it down. So that in general, the colors would be even if the placement was not identical.